In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Reddit. If you want to update your Reddit profile with a new image, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open Reddit and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're on the Reddit homepage or any Reddit page, look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile area. Go ahead and click on your profile. This is where Reddit gives you access to your personal account options, settings, and profile tools. After that, a menu will appear. In that menu, click View Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page where your avatar or profile picture is displayed. If you've never changed it before, you may see a default Reddit-style image. If you already uploaded one in the past, you'll see your current picture there instead. Once you're on your profile page, look for the image icon on your profile picture area. This icon is what allows you to edit or replace your current profile image. Click that image icon to begin the update process. If you don't immediately notice it, just hover around the profile picture area and it should become easier to spot. Next, click Select New Image. This will open your device's file browser so you can choose a photo from your computer. Take a moment to find the image you want to use. It's a good idea to pick a clear image that looks good even at a smaller size, since profile pictures are usually displayed as small icons across the platform. If your image is too large or not centered well, Reddit may give you options to adjust it before saving. After you select your image, follow any on-screen prompts Reddit shows you to finish the upload. Make sure the preview looks the way you want before confirming. That way, your profile picture will appear clean and professional, or simply match the style you want for your account. And that's it. By clicking your profile in the top right corner, selecting View Profile, clicking the image icon, and choosing Select New Image, you can quickly change your Reddit profile picture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.